Hi, it's Gordon here from Maxxeweb. Today we're going to show you how to modify the theme or the background and the standard text within a Maxxeweb theme. These are all the predefined items. So first of all, you need to move into edit mode, so scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the login link. Click the login link and this will take you to the sign in page. Once on the sign in page, input the username and password that you were given when you were first establishing the website. Click the login link and this will take you into edit mode. When you go into edit mode, you'll see the website as you normally see it on the internet. With one exception, you'll now see the edit bar across the top. First of all, we're going to change the theme. So to change the theme, if you've already established more than one page, being the home page, you need to move to a secondary page to change the entire website. So we'll do that. We'll go to the About Us page in this case. And as you can see, we've changed the font color on this page of the header title. So some of those things may not change when we change the overall theme. So what we'll do is we'll go up to the top edit bar. You'll see the cog or the gear. Click on that and that will open the page settings. Scroll down to design, click on design. Once you're inside design, move down to the theme area and click on customize. This will take you into the theme customizer. Once inside the theme customizer, we've actually installed a number of preset or predefined themes that you might want to use. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll select one of those themes. So we'll select Night Road in this particular case, and this will change all the settings within the web page for us. So it takes a couple of seconds for it to write across to the database. Once it's written over to the database, there we go. We've got a black header. The About Us page text has changed, the menu text items have changed, and there's a number of things that have changed. We're happy with that. Now we want to change that or push all those changes across the entire website. So we select the entire site. If you're only making a change for that particular page, then select this page. So we'll select entire website, and that will change and save everything to the entire website. Now what you'll find is if you go to any of those other pages, you should see the changes affected there. However, as I said before, we changed the color of the heading font individually previously. So whilst we've changed the font type, we didn't change the font colors in that process. And if we went to the home page, we'd see the same sort of thing on the home page, a little bit different. Okay. So now let's have a quick look at how we might modify that font or that theme even further. So we'll go back to the About Us page, once again up to the little gear or the design area. Click on that. Once it opens, we go back to design and back to customize. Now what we'll do is we'll change the H1 or the heading font, and we'll change the header background up here. So let's go to the header, the top of the background, we'll leave it as black, and we'll change the bottom of the background to a lighter color so we get a gradient effect. So we'll go there, light gray, we'll choose that color and you'll see it take effect in a second. See how we've taken effect? We're now a lighter color, so we've got a gradient in there. Now we'll move down, and as I said before, we'll change the font in the heading. So we'll change it from Oswald to Comic Sans. It's quite an obvious difference. And we might change the color from what was black on the home page to we'll change it to a green. Okay. We'll save that. And as I said before, we've previously changed the color of the font on that page. So we still had that H1, but we have an alternate defined font color for that particular page. So we'll save that across the entire website once again. And there we go. So if we go to the second page, you'll see the dark blue colour font that we originally pasted in there and made the modification. Or the home page should be the colour that we've selected, because that was the standard font colour that we were providing. So it's a green colour. So just looking back at what sort of things you can change, there's many things you can change in the theme template, and these are standardly applied across the template as you use those particular functions or those features. So we just move into the customize, and you'll be able to see when we get into the customize. So in the full page, we hover over a link, a color can change, text colors, miscellaneous page backgrounds, and the list goes quite on, and it's quite specific in detail. So there's many changes that you can make as we go through the website, and these are standard changes so that once it's all done, it stays that way. Okay, so that's the end of the demonstration on how to modify and change a theme background. Don't forget to save it before you finish, and of course don't forget to log out when you've finished your editing session. So thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in another tutorial.